dusty roads and open plains, neon lights and old freight trains, cowboy boots and prairie skies, whiskey nights and fireflies. Ranch hands hum a working tune underneath the Texas moon. The Longhorns grazing near the creek, tales of grit the old folks speak. Big skies and lone stars, echoes in old guitars. Life out here keeps rolling on like a never-ending country song. Fields of bluebonnets in the spring, church bells on Sunday ring, honky-tonks down in San Antone, where every heart can find a home. Cicadas sing in summer's heat, footsteps on a dusty street, oil rigs in the fading light, farmers praying for rain tonight. Big skies and lone stars, echoes in old guitars. Life out here keeps rolling on like a never-ending country song. Never-ending country song.